Hi, Steve Patronet from Keller Williams with an open house in Simi Valley this Sunday, July 29th from 1 to 4. If you're looking for a fixer, a large lot, horse property, a pool, or a guest house, this could be the one for you. And it's under $700,000. 2730 Kadota Street in Simi Valley is a very special and unique piece of property. First, the lot is just under 17,000 square feet, and that's big. The house is a ranch-style house with over 2,100 square feet, including a 2-bedroom, 1-bath granny flat with a separate entrance. A $50,000 solar system is owned outright and included in the sale, plus a $60,000 swimming pool surrounded by mature fruit and avocado trees, including mango, pomegranate, orange, lemon, and lime. The house needs upgrading, but a lot of the big ticket items have already been addressed, such as new dual pane windows, a new AC unit that works extremely well, combined, check it out in this heat, and a newer roof and upgraded plumbing and electrical. This is a must-sell situation as the seller has accepted a job transfer out of state. So please stop by this Sunday from 1 to 4 and have a look. The address of 2730 Kadota Street in Simi is on your screen, and please feel free to give me a call if you have any questions. I'm Steve Patronet, and thanks for watching.